NewscasterVocalizer is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app which allows you to generate fully featured newscaster, neural network, and traditional voiceovers. NewscasterVocalizer is able to generate realistic-sounding human-like newscaster, plus it includes all new neural voices, just recently released by Amazon Poly Newscaster service. I'm about to show you amazing and absolutely revolutionary neural technology, which not only delivers massive improvements in speech quality, but it increases naturalness and expressiveness, which are the two key factors in creating lifelike speech that is getting closer than ever to human voices. Not only that, the style that makes all the difference, while quality is very important. What about style? Human ear can tell the difference between a newscast, a sportscast, an interaction, and so on. Human spokespersons adopt the right style of speech for the right context, which is critical to getting their message across. Have you ever seen a newscast video on a major media website which consisted of just slowly moving images and voice over text? Have you ever seen a YouTube video with a massive number of views which had just a YouTuber's voiceover with images, animated just with pan and zoom? If you answer yes to any of those questions, you already know how powerful such videos are. If you are a native speaker of the language you make video in, you can voice over videos by yourself, but it would take a ton of time you could use for more productive things. If you do not speak the language you want to make a video in, or you want your video to be produced in multiple languages to maximize views and traffic, you are out of luck with expensive spokespersons. Introducing new software called NewscasterVocalizer. Here's how easy NewscasterVocalizer is to use. Step 1. Select a language and voice you want to use. Step 2. Paste your text. Step 3. Click the Create button. NewscasterVocalizer features. The generated voices are so natural that it is really hard to say if the voice belongs to a human voiceover artist or it was generated by NewscasterVocalizer. While NewscasterVocalizer makes amazing newscaster voiceovers with unheard-before realistic and engaging sound, it does not stop there. It also delivers the entire set of brand new voices available through just released new revolutionary Amazon neural text-to-speech engine. NewscasterVocalizer is an open export voiceover platform which allows you to export your voiceovers to use in any videos app. It can automatically store your created voiceovers into your Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3, plus you can also download a voiceover directly to your computer. NewscasterVocalizer provides a wide selection of natural-sounding male and female voices. NewscasterVocalizer's natural pronunciation of texts enables you to deliver high-quality voice output, perfect for sales letters, explainer videos, video ads, affiliate video reviews, and any other videos. What NewscasterVocalizer can do for you. NewscasterVocalizer is a cloud-based tool. That means you don't have to install it, you don't have to download it, and as you just saw, all you have to do is select a language and voice, paste the text, click a button, and it's done. With the included commercial license, you can not only create voiceovers for yourself, but you can use them in videos you create for your clients, and even sell voiceovers directly and keep 100% of the profits. You can use voiceovers for yourself in videos you create for your clients and even sell voiceovers directly and keep 100% of the profits. You'll get a ton of voices and a lot of languages in dialect. They'll even give you the ability to automatically store voiceovers into your Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, and even download them to your computer.